Right, welcome everybody to episode 11 of FuturePack. And it's night time, yes. I shouldn't really start an episode at night, but there we are. I do like this, this rendering thing. Can't remember what it's called. I'll put it in the description anyway, in case anybody needs to know. So the sky looks good at night. Anyway, so let's get on. Mob spawner. I have finished it off. I've also added a water tower, and today we're going to use the water tower and get a laser set up in there to kill the mobs. Yeah, confused? Okay. So yeah, I'm stood on a mountain here between the base and there, just so we can have a look at both and see what's been going on. So yeah, I've opened up a little bit of tech. I've been busy, and we've got, I think, Soul Production 3 opened, we've got magnetism, hologram tech, networks, and obviously space travel and that, weaponry. So yeah, I've been busy. Still not sure about this, need electricity. I'm sure I've created neon energy, but I'll have to have a look into that. I might need to charge one of the smaller batteries or something. I had a look on my achievements and I'll see if I can get that open as well. But yeah, so energy generation, water turbines. This is what we're going to be playing with today. So we're going to make some of these, and we are going to let's have a look. Industrial chipset, amount of energy. So I might need to put some industrial chipsets in it. So yeah, I'm going to build some of them today. That's why we've got the water tower set up, and that is going to power the laser. It's not very conventional. You wouldn't normally power a laser with water turbines, but, you know, why not? Because it's so far away from the base, all my power's there, it's really impractical to try and get the power up to there. I could have used, I suppose, solar panels. That would have worked, probably, but I'd still have had to route them around the spawner so they could see the sky. And yeah, I thought, you know, we've opened up water turbines, so I'm going to use them. It's free energy. It's always there. It's always available. And I believe with the amount I'm going to put there and the amount of water that's flowing on top of them, it should be enough energy to keep one laser ticking away and killing all the mobs. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And we'll see if we can get on with a few other bits too. So what I will do is, I will meet you back in the base, and we will get on and start work. See you in a moment. Right, welcome back. Just got back in the base. Just want to have a quick check on our crystal situation. Yeah. It's definitely obvious that the neon crystals are the ones at the minute that are powering the generators downstairs. Both these robots or these mining drones are collecting crystals at the same rate. So you can see these aren't being used and they're getting collected up. So it's definitely using quite a few crystals to power those 4 generators, but not a problem. It's keeping up. It's doing the job. I want to do something with this. We've got flash servers, and I'm thinking I might be able to use a flash server here and do something with it to collect the SP and such, but still have to look into that, so I might change that up. So here we are. A few other little bits that have changed. I've put a centrifuge here, which is making this bitripentium ingot. Is that how you say it? Anyway, so yeah, that and the nether quartz. How we get this, or how I'm getting this at the moment, is with the dust, the neon dust, which, well, we've got plenty of. But for 1 stack of neon dust, I get 64 nether quartz and then 2 of these ingots. So, yeah, 2 ingots for 64 dust. It's not the greatest return, but yeah, it is what it is. I'll leave that there. So I've been collecting a few of them up, and I haven't got many at the moment. So yeah, right. not done anything else apart from put a industrial neon furnace here. It's a little bit better, a little bit quicker and such, and yeah. So yeah, put an RF control just to tell me how much is in the RF cell downstairs, which is for RF tools, which has nothing to do with FuturePack. So yeah, but it's a screen. Anyway, so right, done that. Let's get on. I've got a laser which I've built and put here, and I have set in a 6-core in there, running a 4-core power RAM. We have a 1-core power, a 1-core chipset with 1.8 power and a 1-core industrial chipset with 1.6 core power. So that should do us. We're running 6 of 6. Looking like I might have to have a cooler on this though, because this is sat at nearly 100 degrees already and it's not doing anything. So let me grab that now while I remember. I think I have a spare cooler kicking around somewhere here. I have, right, so I need one of them on me. So we've got that set up. I need to build 9 something. What do I need to build? Power. 9 water turbines, right, so what do we need? Should have the machine boards, neon coils. Right, machine boards, 9 machine boards. Let's sort that out to start with. Have we got... We've got 11 of them. They're 5-core. 3-core. Right, if I use... yeah, okay, right. So if I use the 5-core... And then we need RAM. RAM. Let's have a look. Let's see what chips we've got first, because we need logic chipset. Yeah, we've got 1.8. 8 of them. Okay, we'll use 8 of them and we'll have one running at 1.6. That's not ideal, is it? I ain't got any more. Okay, that's that. So what are they? They're 1-core. I'm going to need industrial chipsets. They're 1-core as well. I could do with making more of them. What's the recipe? Tin and quartz. Okay, I think we might be able to manage that. Iron, quartz. Right, quartz and tin. Let's get some more of these made and see if we can get, what are we after? So if we can get 3 1.6, that might do, or 8 1.8. So I don't think we're going to get that, but let's just get a load of these and see what we get. What we got? 1 1.4, 1.6. Oh, 3 1.8s. Let's just keep going. 5 1.8s. How many can we get out of this? 7 1.8s. Because I want these to be quite efficient, really. I want these to be quite good. So that'll be 8 1.8s in total. Might as well try and go for the 9, haven't we? What do we need? Quartz. Got quartz, haven't we? Yeah, loads of quartz. 9! Right, okay, so we got them. And see if I can get quartz and copper. Right, let's get that out of there. Throw some copper in. I'm going to need some more silicon. Right, what do we need? One more of them, 1.8. Come on. Come on, give me it. Give me it. Hey, 1.8, right. God. I'm going to put a load of chipsets that I don't need. Right, that's one, that's that. I need that one, I need that one. I need them. I don't know if there's a better way of doing this, but yeah, it works. Right, so that's the chipsets, that's the cores. We need RAM. So they're taking up 1, that's taking up 1, that leaves 3. That's 4 core power, that's 3 core power. That's 5, that's 2's taking up 1. That's 1 and it's giving 3. I could do with probably producing some of these actually. Then that's flash memory. Could I do that? Is it worth it for the RAM? Yeah, I'll go with some standard RAM I think. Iron and neon parts, and we will try and get some more 3 core. Yes. Right. Neon part and iron, was it? Yes, so 8, 9. Excellent. Right, got it. So that's 3, 4, 5. That's a 5 core. Perfect. Right, let's make some circuits, some boards. Let's get some of this from here. I think I should have some. No quartz parts in here. 5. Wow. Okay, well it's not like we're short on quartz, is it? So let's get some of these cooked up and get some quartz parts going. Yeah, might have some kicking around here. No, we haven't. Right, so anyway, take that out of there. Put this stuff away that I don't need. Oh, quartz parts. Quartz parts. Oh, loaded it there. Right. Yeah, so what do we need? Quartz parts. Oh, copper coils. Is it copper coils for the... I can never remember. Let's have a look. That's plenty. Right. What are we making? I should have really planned all this first, shouldn't I? I should have laid this out. Oh no, it's neon coils. Neon coils for that. Copper coils for that. And that's 2 copper, iron, and iron parts. Iron parts, copper, and iron. 2 copper. Let's check this out of here for a minute. And iron parts. Yes, excellent. Right. How many do we need? We need 18. 18 of them. And then what? I'm easily confused today. I don't know why. Right, so let's have a look. We need that and that, that, and that, and then quartz parts. Is that right? Yes. 9 motherboards. Right, or machine boards. That's one bit done. Energy, water turbine. It'd be easier actually if I went into here, wouldn't it? Water turbine. Right. So neon coils, composite metal. Excuse me. Have I got any neon coils? Yes. I need neon coils. Composite metal, how many do I need? Don't know. And was that iron bars, wasn't it? Do I have any iron bars kicking around? Thought I had some. No. Okay, I'll have to make some. Oh, I've got a few here. That might be enough. Yeah, okay. So, let's have a look. iron bars, coloured metal, zinc. Right, let's try and do this. What was it, like that? Like that. Like that. That's neon, not zinc. That's zinc, that's not enough. Let's get some more zinc. Zinc, zinc, zinc. There it is. Oops. Water turbines. 9. Okay, excellent. So, that's that. That's water turbines. We'll put the industrial chipsets in them. I need the laser. That would help, wouldn't it? Let's take this with us. So that didn't break it, did it? Right, laser. Industrial chipsets. I need some cable in. 13 cables. Is that all I've got? That's not good. So let's get some cables. Did I have some? Yes. Right. Oh. What do I need? Aluminium. Let me get some aluminium cooking up while I think about it. Oops. Not like we're short, is it? Let's throw that in there. Right, what else we got? Neon ingots, got plenty of them, got plenty of these on us. Yeah, just the aluminium plates. Oh, you're going to take a while, aren't you? Have I got no more kicking around? I guess not. Oh, we got 29 cables. I think 29 cables will be enough. Let's go have a look at this. If not, I can come back, I can cut the video and we can have a look and see what's what. So. Oh, what I didn't show you actually, I'll show you on here. I don't know if you remember, I got that bit to be mined out by the mining drones, so they completed that. Now I've got a big square in the landscape. I'm not sure what to do with because I was going to do like a spaceship building platform there, but it was suggested to do it over near my mob spawner somewhere. So I'm a bit undecided now of what to do. I might turn this into farms for animals. Get some sheep and pigs maybe and stuff. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm not sure what I'm doing there yet. And yes, I did put a creeper face on top of the mob spawner. I think that's quite cool. Right, and it's night time, but that shouldn't matter. Let's go over and get this set up. Not a bad building, really. It's not perfect. It's a little unsymmetrical, but you wouldn't notice unless it was actually pointed out, I suppose. But that was just because the way I built it initially. I built the water channels 3 blocks wide, and realised that would cause problems with water flow with the centre block, and yeah, so I changed it, and it never looked the same again. So yeah, where do we want? Right. Let's get up here and have a look. Actually, you haven't seen it, have you, since I've finished it off? So I'll let you see what's been happening. We'll get these water turbines. I'll get these water turbine these water turbines set up first, and they're going to go here where these stones are, stone blocks. And the way these work is that you need a lot of water above them, according to the e-scanner, which we have, really. It's a reasonable sized tank, and the water flows down through them, and then you need a gap below them to allow the water to come through. So yeah, so let's get these placed. So what are they on? 5. Let's see if I can do this without. There you go. So that one's working straight away. As you can see, the water's flowing through it and down into here. And I've just realised that that centre one is going to... Oops. Didn't mean to do that. That centre one is not going to be any use. Because I'm not going to be able to get power from it. I don't think. Unless it transfers power through them, which I don't think it does. Anyway, let me carry on. Let's get all these set up. What do we need? That one. I don't know if I need this many, to be honest. I did a little bit of testing before, but to be honest, not much. And yeah, hopefully this will do the job anyway. So, that's how they work. They let water pour through them, and they should now be getting power. I could have done with bringing a battery actually to see how much power they would get in, and yeah, so that middle one isn't going to power, I don't think. But that's alright, doesn't matter. Here's what it is. Bring the power out here. So, need to go into all of these. And we have one core left, so I can put an industrial chipset in each, which should help the cores. We should produce more power. You wouldn't imagine a water turbine overheating, would you? Really? With the water pouring through it? I don't know. Right, that's that. Now, just in case, I'm going to stick one in the in that inside one. Probably pointless, but you know, why not? Right, so that's that. What I'm going to do as well is I'm just going to briefly... I'm going to turn the mob spawner off while I'm working here. So this is the water tank, which is pouring down onto the turbines. Now what I've done is I've set up lights inside the spawner so that I can, if need be, come here, flick this lever, and then when the light's on, the spawner room's lit up, so no mobs will spawn. And I've created a bit of a platform around here for no real reason, but it means I can access the spawn room. So while we're here, no real easy way to get into the spawn room, to be honest with you, so it's a case of break these blocks. And yeah. But as you, oh no. As you can see, you nearly saw a lot clearer then with a big hole in the side of it, but as you can see, it's yeah, it's lit up. So I can light it up, stop mobs from spawning, and that means I can work a bit easier downstairs. I will leave them to it so I don't destroy everything, and we could probably put that lever somewhere a bit more accessible downstairs, but I shouldn't have to turn it on and off very often. But yeah, so can I jump across there? Of course I can. Right. Yeah. So I'm thinking getting the laser set up about here, facing in that way. I didn't bring any building blocks with me, of course. But yeah, so the power can go straight in. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the base. I'm going to get a battery so I can set the battery up here. Because it'd be nice to have a bit of a buffer as well. I'll get some building blocks so I can set that up, and with the mob spawner now lit up, by the time I have got back to the base and back here. They should have all despawned. And we can get on doing the little build. So I will see you in a minute. Right, I've filled my inventory with some junk. Not sure exactly what I'm going to need, so we've got that. So I will head back now. And we will carry on. Once again, not very organised, but you know, it is what it is. Right, we'll see you back there in a moment. Right, here we are. We are back, and yeah. So, think I've got what I need. Yeah, I need to be up there, don't I? So, gonna set this. Yeah, the laser will sit there on what block? Grey block? Yeah, well, actually we'll put it on one of these ventilation blocks, I think. Actually, it needs a cooler, doesn't it? I'm wondering. Well, actually, I say it needs a cooler. I don't know if it does. I don't think it really... I don't know. Right, can I... If I can wire that from this side... That doesn't look great, does it? Oops. Didn't want you there. Because it's at 80 degrees... Yeah, oh. See, I'd like a cooler underneath. But I'd rather have that wire. Well, that cable underneath, I think. You know what? Doesn't matter. I'm going to put it... Rather be safe than sorry. Might as well stick a cooler on there. And then it's done. I'm going to put a battery box, which it's got about 3k in it. So I think the battery box. Let me just have a think, and I will be right back. Right, I've made a decision. I think the battery box can just sit there for now, and I think that's safe to say that they power that quite happily. I'm going to bring the cable down. See, I'm thinking about bringing this flooring out a little bit. I might do it like this. So that I can get round the back of there. Maybe. I don't know. I'll see. Might have to mess around with the design a little bit on this, because it's not ideal. But if I bring that up like... In fact... Mind you, I can see the battery there. Oh, it doesn't matter. For now, for the test, here we go. Right, now I'm going to assume that laser is now powered. Where did I put my scrunch? Right. So, I think all is well. That should be powering that. I just need to turn on the spawn room. And we will see. We will see if this works. Because I don't know if it's going to fire through those slab blocks. Right. It's activated, but we're probably a bit too close for them to spawn at the moment. So let's come down here. Give this a minute to do its thing. And see what we get. Yeah, I think I think that block's going to interfere with that. So I might have to change that a little bit, but if we get some at spawning, come on, spawn. We can. We'll see what's what. I sorted the sorting system out down here as well. It still feeds the same way from the hoppers down, but I used Lothar Quest's idea of putting a full chest full of the whatever items I want, and that's all that can go in them then. So that will do the job, and then I've got 4 buffer chests either side for any other junk, and then failing that, if they get full, I've got trash cans on either side as well. Not saying I'm going to get that much loot, but you never know. And nothing is spawning. Am I too close? Too far? Let me go out of range a little bit and see if that helps. In fact, I could probably gone back up and checked the actual spawn room, but because I'm wondering if the lights did actually go out. Oh, I can hear. Yeah, I can hear a spider. Oh yeah, I can see now, look. Yeah, okay, we're getting spawns. I know the laser hasn't done anything yet because it's still pointing in the opposite direction. Well, that was one fell, but it died. I am on... I'll put it on hard. I don't know if that makes a difference. Right, let me see what's going on with this, and then I will get back to you. Okay, don't need to get back to you, because it's obvious that we'll not go through that block. Or it's not getting any power. Let me just have a look, see if I... Right. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I wonder. Let me just put them back. That's got it. There we go. Get rid of them. Should be able to do that, I think. Yeah. And right, I think that should work. Again, it's not ideal. £80. Yeah, I don't think I need a cooler on there, to be honest, but for the sake of what would you call it? Aesthetics? Or just being safe? I don't know. I'm going to stick one on anyway. And I have to tidy this room up a little bit, and yeah. This building wasn't actually designed like this, it just kind of happened, to be honest. But yeah. Which is why it's not ideal. So yeah, the spawns are a bit far and few between at the moment. But it killed a few. See if they're moving away a little further. I don't know if I'm too close to the spawner. I shouldn't be though, because it's quite a way up. Or am I too far from it? I don't know. But yeah, that works. That's doing its job. I think the power is more than sufficient. I think that's probably a bit overkill actually, what I put in there. But it means I can set up some more lasers. I could maybe extend the lasers up to the actual spawn room itself. Yeah, it works. They fall, it kills them. So, yeah. Okay, right. I'm going to leave that there. That was a fairly, fairly unorganised episode. So that's not going to kill... You see, I don't really need them in there, I suppose, do I? While I've got a laser set up. No. The laser's going to deal with them anyway, so I don't have to worry about anything getting out. And the only thing I'd worry about getting out would be the baby zombies and baby skeletons. It seems to be focused on something up there. But yeah, okay. Anyway, that's sort of doing its job. I will chicken. Poor chicken. Yeah, I will tidy this place up a little bit, make a few amendments, make sure it's all running okay. Pretty sure the power is ridiculously OP for what it's using. Because the scanner actually gave me the impression that the laser would be using a crazy amount of power. I've developed a type of guard tower, building computer automatically, yada yada yada. So in doing so, the tower consumes large amounts of neon energy, which is why I should connect it to a more permanent source of energy. In addition, the continuous consumption of the computer monitor system, the killing of an entity requires an additional 10 INI per life point. Yeah. It doesn't seem to be doing too bad at the minute. I assume the water turbines are a lot more effective than I gave them credit. So yeah, there it is. It's doing its thing. As you can see, the mob spawner works, and the laser's doing its job. If the fall doesn't kill them, the laser will. So yes, bit of a disorganised episode. I will get a few things sorted out for next episode, because I have been opening up the tech tree. We have got lots more things to do now. And yeah, so I will get a building thought out, and a bit of... I'd like to go down the network route as well, and use the flash server. I'll try and have a look into that, see how that works. And see about setting up something from my cobble gen, storing the SP. Yeah, something like that. And yeah. So anyway, I'll do a bit more research. I will clean this up, and I will get back to you and see you next time. Take care, guys.